Was that like that before?
No. Got a little warm behind there.
Oh, yeah, that should spin freely.
Yeah. Definitely.
It's almost like this is being forced down into it. That's the only way that could glue. But you'd think there would be some slop here, you know?
Oh, yeah.
But there's nothing.
No.
Oh. Wow, yeah, I guess if you work for it.
Yeah, because if it's squishing it,
it's not really designed to have
to take the low
pressure. Yeah.
Right. Crooked it. Which space is in there?
Oh, crap.
Definitely. Oh my God. A lot.
40, 50 thousandths?
A lot.
Probably a quarter of an inch or more.
Jesus. No wonder.
Eighth
of an inch.
It's quite a bit. A lot of pressure.
Enough to make it holler. So what do they got us doing? They're going to replace that whole gearbox.
Yep. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this off and we're going to measure the shaft length before we slap the new one in there, because
I'm guessing they're going to be identical.
You know, and that's probably it. I'm 99% sure it's going to be too, but
well, we gotta do what Toro says,
yep.
Right?
So their next thing is the whole new housing.
Yeah. Which is everything, right? That's all the way back.
The engine, everything.
Yep.
Handlebars. I mean, that's.
And they don't want you to just shim it out.
Nope. They want to do it correctly. They want it done right.
Wow.
And
okay.
This is what they feel is the right way to do it.
All right. Well,
I've told them what I found, and this was the cheapest. So basically, this is how it's been. So, what's the cheapest thing to do? Oh, throw new flanges in it, new impeller bearing, thrust washer, and the hub. So that was the cheapest. So now we're mid-range, the whole new gearbox, and then we'll be at the expensive side with the whole.
so what's happening is when we put this all together, the bearing flanges, washer, pulley hub, and the pulley, another washer, and then you bolt this together. There should be a little play there, but on this one there's not. So it's squeezing the whole assembly together, putting undue pressure on the ends of that bearing, causing a lot of friction. And then it heats up and starts squealing. So Toro wants us to replace the housing because for some reason the housing is off. All right, so I got Brenda helping me here. We've got the shell, or the frame, I guess, of the snowblower, and if we measure that from where the auger bearing is all the way down to the bench, we are looking at, yeah. So that's the old one. Here's the new one. And I'll just see if we can get can you turn it a little bit towards me? Like that. So there. Thank you, Brenda.
You're very welcome, Brett.
You know, the girl knows how to work a ruler. Whew, okay. So we're looking at our housings, and you can definitely see where something was off. Look right in this area, you see quite a gap.
That's the one we traded out. This is a brand new one, but there's no gap on this guy. If we take a look at it from the other side, see right here, that should be right down onto the curved part, and it's not.